So on this one, we're going to be talking all about B major. Okay, so this is the position. This is obviously going to be a bar chord. So B major, this is how you're going to do it. You can put your first finger, bar the right here on the second fret leading up to the third. And then what you're going to want to do is just put right here on 1, 2, 3, 4 on the fourth fret, make an A shape. That is B minor, or B major, I should say. Some of the things you can do is to put your finger and then put obviously your thumb on, you see that? Toward the bottom of the guitar. And then obviously the A shape should be really easy for you. What I'm doing is I'm pressing the guitar kind of into my body there. Let it ring out. And that's what you want to do. If bar chords are a little bit tougher for you and you're not able to get that positioning proper, you're probably not pressing down on, first of all, the bar. See how the bar sounds good to me, right? I'm sure it sounds good to you as well, because, and that's a good thing, obviously, because a lot of people are not able to do that, especially when they first start guitar, but you have to really learn that to even play this thing. You're not going to find that note anywhere else in terms of like the playability for an open chord is not, you're not going to find that, the B major. You're just not, so you have to learn this, is my point. Okay? You might have other cutesy pie little notes here and there. You might be able to maybe get away with it sometimes, but you have to be able to learn that. That's just how I feel, and a lot of people feel the same way. So remember to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more. Thank you for watching, everybody.